Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open your Instagram application on your phone. Then once you open it, you should go to your profile page right here on the bottom right corner. And after that, click on these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then what you should do right now is to go to Account Center. Once you go to Account Center, you should now go to Personal Details. Then once you go to Personal Details, here you have down below this option, Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it. And here you will have these two options. Click on deactivation or deletion. Then you should now choose the account that you want to delete. I will choose this one. Then you can choose between two options, deactivate your account. This will be temporary and you can reactivate it again. But in my case, I will delete the account permanently. So choose this option, then click on continue. Then what you should do right now is to pick a reason for deleting. Let's say too many ads, then click on continue. And after that, you'll have to click on continue. Then they will ask you to give them the password in order to confirm that you are the one owning the account and to confirm deleting the account permanently. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.